Welcome to the Super Drive channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to assemble a roll-up tonneau cover.
Each box comes with a tonneau cover, a box of hardware, bars to keep the tonneau cover in place, and double-sided tape. The first thing you want to do is actually unfold your tonneau cover. This allows you to do your assembly way easier when the tonneau cover is folded. It also gives you access so you can slide brackets inside the pockets. Now that you laid out your tonneau cover, go ahead and actually line up the brackets, which are numbered in the back, which is 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Make sure you don't get mixed up when you're actually starting the assembly. Inside your box of hardware comes with a pack of WD-40. What you have to do is actually put a little bit of WD-40 inside the bracket. That way when you slide the pocket inside the bracket, it makes it easier for you to slide the bracket on the pocket. Now that you apply WD-40 inside the bracket, go ahead and actually slide the bracket inside the pocket. What you're going to do is you're actually going to repeat the same process on all sides. Now that all the brackets are assembled, the next thing you need to do is grab your screws from your hardware box and pull out an Allen key and an Allen key screw. So the trick here is actually pull up the padding from the bracket and remove a white sticky label. Go ahead and remove that white sticky label and put the Allen key screw inside the pre-made hole of the bracket. And the trick here is you're actually going to pull the back of the bracket towards the front of the bracket and screw in the Allen key. Next up is you have to grab the bars that came inside the box in order to keep the tonneau cover in place. Go ahead and grab your hook and one of the bars, and you're actually going to slide the hook inside the bar with a screw. Go ahead and attach that because this is what's going to keep the tonneau cover attached to the truck bed. Go ahead and slide the hook inside the bracket. This keeps the tonneau cover sit in place and makes everything sit flush. Repeat the same process on the other side of the tonneau cover. Go ahead and grab your Allen key and a screw, and you're going to apply that screw inside the hook. Grab that same Allen key and screw everything nice and tight. Inside your hardware box, you're going to have a T-shaped figure block. What you're going to do is actually unscrew them and you're going to attach it to the side of the bracket. That way the tonneau cover can fold when it's inside the truck bed. Slide the blocks inside the bracket and grab your T-shaped figure block and slide it under. You want to repeat this process on all the sides. Once the T-shaped figure is slid inside the blocks, go ahead and grab your screws and tighten everything down. Once everything's complete, your tonneau cover should look something like this.
Hopefully you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next assembly video.